So you want to make the backrooms. Well, first we're going to need some textures. So here's the beige carpet. We've got the swatch of that distinctive yellow wallpaper. Got some styrofoam for those ceiling tiles. And of course we've got some worn out fluorescent light starters for those nice flickery lights. Now, you want to get all those, and let me just zoom out. You're going to want to put them all in here. So let's get some styrofoam. Got some that beige carpet. Stick that paper in. And then you want to garnish with a few fluorescent light starters. Put the cap on, don't want it flying everywhere. And then we'll blend it for about a minute. Well, there we go. That was a rather explosive finish. And let's empty out the waste. Just cut the power to the thing in case it accidentally turn on. Anyway, we'll tip it out and see if we got what we wanted. So, first we'll pull out the excess rubbish. And well, looky here. It's the backrooms. So there you go. Now you know how to make backrooms in your blender.